Did you know that nearly 60% of people avoid the dentist because they're scared? Yup, you heard that right. It's a shocking statistic, but it highlights just how many of us put off taking care of our dental health. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some dental clinic secrets that you absolutely need to know. Understanding these insights can make a huge difference when it comes to your dental health and can help you avoid unnecessary costs and discomfort. So, stick around because what you learn today could change the way you think about your next dental visit. Now, let's talk about some common misconceptions about dental clinics. A lot of people think that dental visits are just a way for dentists to make money and that they're all about drilling and filling. But that's not the case. Many folks believe that if they don't have any pain, they don't need to see a dentist. This can lead to serious issues down the line, as many dental problems can develop without any noticeable symptoms. Plus, there's this fear of judgment. People worry that dentists will scold them for not flossing enough or for not coming in regularly. This fear can keep people from getting the care they actually need. Another challenge is understanding the costs involved. Dental treatments can feel like a mystery. Why does one procedure cost so much more than another? And then there's the added stress of insurance coverage. Many people don't fully understand what their insurance will cover, leaving them with surprise bills after a visit. So, it's no wonder that many avoid the dentist. But what if I told you there are secrets that can help you navigate this dental maze? Let's explore some of these secrets. First up is the hidden costs of dental care. Did you know that some clinics charge extra fees for services that you might assume are included? For example, certain X-rays or cleanings might carry additional charges. Always ask for a breakdown of costs before you agree to any procedures. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.